In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Teamwork.com with Microsoft Teams and make your workflow more efficient. If you're new to these tools, this video will quickly get you up to speed with their integration. Now, I know you're here to find out how to link these two platforms, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can get back to your work faster. You'll be able to seamlessly bring your tasks, projects, and communication into one place. But before we jump in, remember, you can try out Teamwork for free through the exclusive link in the description below with some extra bonuses you won't find elsewhere. Now, let's dive right into it. Connecting Teamwork with Microsoft Teams can really streamline how your team collaborates, as it integrates both platforms, allowing you to manage your tasks and communication in real time. To get started, first, ensure you have the necessary permissions on both Microsoft Teams and Teamwork to integrate them. If you're an admin in both platforms, this is going to be a breeze. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Teamwork, and you'll see the Teamwork app pop up. Click Add to integrate Teamwork into your Teams environment. Once it's added, you'll need to authenticate it by logging into your Teamwork account, granting Microsoft Teams the required access. Once authenticated, you can configure your settings. You'll want to choose which Teamwork projects you'd like to link with your Microsoft Teams channels. This allows you to track your project milestones directly from Teams, without needing to jump back and forth between the two apps. Next, choose the notifications you want to receive. For example, you can set it up so that any updates in Teamwork, whether it's a new task, milestone, or comment, are pushed directly to Microsoft Teams, keeping your team updated in real time. This integration is a huge time saver and minimizes the risk of missing important updates. To make the most out of the integration, you can also use Teamwork's tabs within Teams. With this, you can display your active projects, tasks, and key project details right within the Teams interface. No more switching back to the Teamwork app every time you need to check on progress. It's all available right inside Teams, so you can collaborate more effectively with your team. Now, the real magic happens when you start using Teamwork's task and project management features right inside Microsoft Teams. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and even monitor the progress of your ongoing projects, all within your Teams interface. But here's a key tip. Make sure your team is also using the right settings for notifications. For instance, you may want to limit certain notifications if your team is getting overwhelmed by updates. Fine-tuning the notifications will ensure that your team stays informed without being bombarded. So why should you care about connecting Teamwork with Microsoft Teams? Because it brings together powerful project management and team collaboration in one place. Instead of managing your tasks on one platform and your communication on another, this integration consolidates everything, leading to better productivity and smoother teamwork. I mentioned earlier that you can try out Teamwork for free. Just check the link in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial and bonuses that'll help you get the most out of your subscription. In short, connecting Teamwork with Microsoft Teams not only saves time, but also improves team communication and efficiency. This integration helps you stay organized, focused, and most importantly, on top of your projects. So, if you're looking to bring more power to your project management and team communication, give this integration a try. And don't forget, the link below will give you exclusive access to a free trial of Teamwork to test it for yourself.